In this video, we will create a flowchart that calculates and prints the area of a rectangle. Initially, let us understand how the area of a rectangle is calculated. So basically, the area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Here, the value of length and breadth is provided by the user as input. For example, if length is equals to 5 cm and breadth is equals to 10 cm, then according to the formula, the area of the rectangle should be 5 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 50 square centimeter. Hence, our program must print 50. Now let's begin to construct a flowchart. At first, let's create a starting terminator to indicate the beginning of the program. Now, we'll add an input component to accept two integers from the user and store them in variables L and B, where L represents the length of the rectangle and B represents the breadth. Furthermore, a process box is implemented in which a new variable is declared named area and is assigned with the product of L and B. Finally, the variable area is printed with an output component and the program is terminated via end terminator. Thank you.